Hello everybody and welcome to A Canadian Homeschool Mom. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you. I found online a good deal of a whole bunch of books for $50. So here they are, 4 whole boxes. We're going to go through them and see if I got a good deal. Okay, so box number 1. We've got Ernest Hemingway, The Old Man and the Sea. I remember when I was in high school reading about Ernest Hemingway. And we've got The Door in the Wall. So a couple novels. The Great Globe Puzzle Challenge with Google Earth. Well, that'll be interesting to take a look at. Cool. And that's in, so far all the books are in really good condition. We got a book here. What does it say on the side? Not completely sure what this is just yet. What? Okay. How to write book reports. And there's a disc. What else we got? Basic life support. Okay, first aid. You can do classes on first aid. Okay. One without the other. Science book. Google Earth and GPS. Classroom activities. Grades 5 through 8. So this is junior high. Treasure hunting around the globe. Medieval history based writing lessons. Interesting. And okay, one's a teacher's manual and one's a student book. What do we got here? Student version. Making data analysis. Okay. It's another binder. Workshop 1. Okay, I got these all from a teacher too. So, what's this one? Another workshop book. Okay, this is what we got so far. We got here a periodic table. Let's open it up and take a look. Neat. We got a periodic table. That'll be good for studying. I don't know, it shows you books. Something that'll go up on my wall. Book on photography. Science and technology. Got a science journal. Never been written in. Teachers Awards Gala. What's this? Digging Deep. Relationship Restart. It's a book about getting close to God. What is this? Just a notebook, looks like. Got here, Social Studies 11. It says please return. Huh. Some loose papers that I'm not really gonna dig out here. Got another book, The Pearl. And in this book there's just a bunch of loose papers. Probably was in a binder at one time. Alright, there's box number 1. Let's go into box number 2. Advanced Physics in Creation. A couple more books. Book about poets. What's this? Exploring Creation with Chemistry. Oh! CD for one of the books. There's a couple of them. Yeah, they're exploring creation with biology and physics. Okay. Exploring creation with physics. Exploring creation with biology. Okay, so 3 books that go with 3 CDs. Alright, here's another one for biology. Oh, this one is the biology book. This has tests in it. Okay. So we got some more books in here. Inquiry into Life. Advanced Chemistry. I think I'm going to be pretty much set with high school. Physics. Principles and Problems. Chemistry book. And this is tests. Okay, so there's tests already done up. Another book for tests. What are these 3? Build It Up. Materials and Structures. Stars and Planets. And Plant Growth and Changes. Teacher Guides. We got tests for Advanced Physics and Creation. Tests for Advanced Chemistry and Creation. Puzzlers, Twisters, and Teasers. Science and Technology. The Idea of Physics. Brain Facts. Biology and chemistry. And these papers in here are all loose and need a binder to go in. Hold on, I'm gonna set this down so I can pick these up. Okay, so I had to put this in a binder, but it's about biology. So there we go. That's box number 2 is empty. Now let's take a look at box number 3. A notebook. Oh, looks like this is already partially filled out. That's okay. The human body. Another student notebook. This one isn't really filled out. Tests. Alright, what else we got in here? A map history of the modern world. Canadian edition. Right on. Okay. Literary arts. Good. So there's, oh look, language arts with a Christian perspective for middle grades. Oh, so junior high. The world this century working with evidence. There you go. All about the wars. Okay, got Biology 11 study guide. Don't mind my kids, they're playing in the back room if you happen to hear them. Some papers that need to go in binders. Lightning. Okay. What are these? Learning language arts through literature. Lots of language arts books. American literature, short stories. Poetry. Answer key with tests. Language power. What do we got here? Okay. Literature series. Another one. Christian Light Education Literature Series. Another one of these lightning books. So some Christian workbooks. Read and think. Skill sheets. Okay. So that's box number 3. So far from 3 boxes. Look at all that. And again, $50. Look at these textbooks. I think I got my money's worth. I just need find some room on my shelf. What do we got here? The sign of the beaver. The door in the wall. So I got a few more CDs. Charlotte's Web, The Giver. What is this one? I'm not sure, half of the title's cut off. The 21 Balloons. What do we got here? Biblical Quests. Bunch of cards. Oh, it's a game, I guess. Questions and answers. You can ask each other questions. Living invertebrates. There you go. Book on insects. Chemistry student notebook. Another bunch of papers that need a binder. Get Outdoors, an educator's guide to outdoor classrooms in parks, playgrounds, and other special places. There you go. Activities for the outdoors. We love to learn outside. Handbook. Chemistry handbook. BC Science 10. Alright, what do we got? Chemistry. Oh, look, periodic table on the back of these. Chemistry 11 and 12. Another physics book. Dictionary of Biology. Biology 12, Biology 11, Biology 12. Huh, these are doubles. I don't think I need to, but you never know. And this box is almost empty. Chemistry 12. There's a couple more CDs in here. Biology 11. Biology 11. Biology 11. Biology 11. Okay, and one last book out of this box. BC Science Physics 11. So there's a couple things where I need to get a couple binders for. As you can see, these two boxes have some papers in them. Outline Canada in the 20th century. Okay. Which I definitely will get some binders for this stuff. But here, I got a good amount of books for 50 bucks. I'd say I've got high school covered. So there you go. If you look around online, you can find really good deals. Like I just got a whole bunch of high school material for $50. This is worth way more than $50. I could probably put it together, but I don't really need to. But yeah, if you look around, there's a couple junior high books too, which will come in handy. So if you just take your time, if you're homeschooling on a budget, look around online and you'll find lots of good deals and you'll be able to save yourself some money. I can right here with all these books teach literary arts and science to the kids when they get to high school, and there's tests and everything, study books, CDs to help teach the classes. So a lot of material here. So, and there was even junior high literary arts books. So that will take care of junior high and high school with literary arts. So I'm pretty much getting myself prepared for those grades. I think I did a really good job. I got a really good deal for 50 bucks because I joined a bunch of Facebook homeschool groups and came across this deal. And this isn't the only time I've bought secondhand books. It's really worth it if you just look around and you can find secondhand books at a good deal. Especially someone like me, I have to budget. I don't have a huge budget, so I can't go and spend thousands of dollars on school stuff. So to be able to buy them secondhand from somebody that's done using them, it's well worth it. And they're all in good, really good condition. So there's no tears. The covers are all on them. So it's really worth it. I hope you enjoyed this video, my unboxing of my curriculum that I found online. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click subscribe and give me a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below.